Hello, Kamato class! Welcome back sa isa na namang pag-aaral ng aralin sa mathematics. Ang mga figures na nakikita nyo ay bahagi ng ating video presentation ngayon. And let's start! We will be working with sector and segment of a circle. Ano nga ba ang mga ito? The sector of the circle is the region bounded by the arc of the circle and the two radii at the ends of the arc. Alamin natin kung ano ba itong tinatawag na sector of the circle by this figure. Kung papansin niyo sa figure na yan, meron tayong yellow part. So that yellow part, dyan tayo magko-concentrate as sector of the circle. Let us consider that point are point B, point A, and point C. Ito yung mga point na yon. This point B, point A, and point C. Paano ba alamin ang area ng sector of the circle? To find the area of the sector of the circle, get the product of the ratio of the measure of an arc, ito yung arc BC na pag-uusapan natin, over 360, this is a fixed sa formula, kasi yan yung measure ng whole circle, and the area of the circle. So, ibig sabihin, dalawang bagay yung hahanapin natin, the ratio and the area. Tapos, imu-multiply natin. And let us apply that with this example. The radius of the circle is 15 centimeters. If arc BC is equal to 90 degrees, what is the area of the sector BAC? So, ito yung BAC. Yung area niyan, ibig sabihin ng tinatanong, itong kulay yellow. So, let's start working with that. Alamin natin ang mga given. Sabi, ang AC or ang radius ay 15 centimeters. Ito rin yun, AB. Then, another given, yung arc BZ ay equal to 90 degrees. So, gamit ang mga yan, una nating alamin yung ratio na binabanggit kanina. So, measure of an arc, which is 90 degrees. Heto yon. Then, over 360 degrees. Then, what happened to that? That will be equal to 1/4. When you get the lowest term of that will be equivalent to 1/4. So, yan ngayon yung ratio na kailangan natin later on. Another important fact is we determine the area of the circle. And the area of the circle is equivalent to pi times r or times radius to the second power. So, by substitution, ang ating radius ay 15 centimeters. So, pinalitan natin. And that will be equivalent to 225 pi centimeter squared. So, pag tinimes natin ito sa sarili, 15 times 15 to 25, then pi centimeter squared. So, ang sabi, para makuha ang sukat niyan o ang area niyan, ay kailangan nating i-multiply ang ratio at ang area ng circle. So, area of a sector BAC is equal to the measure of an arc over 360 or the ratio times the area of the circle. And our ratio is 1/4, this one. Then our area is 225 pi centimeters squared. And when you multiply that will be equivalent to 225 pi over 4 centimeters squared. Approximately, kapag pinalitan natin yung pi ng value niya, 3.1416, and approximately, the area of this sector, or yung kulay yellow natin, is equivalent to 176.72 square centimeter. Okay, so let's start with another example. The radius of the circle is 5 centimeters. If arc DF is equal to 30 degrees, what is the area of sector DEF? Again, yung kulay yellow pa rin, yung hahanapin natin ang area. Katulad ng naunang example, so we will try to work on with the given. So, yan yung mga given natin. So, ang ating DF ay 30 degrees. Ito yon. Then ito yung radius natin, 5 centimeters. So let's start working with the ratio again. So isa-substitute natin ang arc, measure of the arc. This is the fixed value na inilalagay natin. Getting the lowest term, that's 1/12. Then the area of the circle, so ang papalitan natin ay r, kasi may radius tayo which is 5 centimeters. So we have that. Then 5 squared, 25 centimeters squared, and pi. So we are going to have that 25 pi squared centimeters as our area of the circle. At imumultiply natin yan para makuha ang area of the sector. So area of the sector is equal to the ratio times the area. And the ratio is equivalent to 1/12, ito yon, times this area, times 25 pi square centimeters. When we multiply that, so that's 1 times 25, that's 25 pi over 12 square centimeter. Approximately, the value is 6.55 square centimeter. So, syempre kapag nilagyan na natin yan ng value ng pi. Okay, so let's continue. How about segment of a circle? A segment of a circle is the region bounded by an arc and the segment joining each end point. So, look at the figure. So, ang pagkakaiba lang yan dun sa figure kanina, mayroon na nito. Ito yung segment na pinag-uusapan. So, ang aalamin natin ay ito uling kulay yellow. Ano ang area ng kulay yellow na yan? And to determine that, consider again that that's BAC. So, to determine our answer, so we are going to use this. To find the area of the shaded segment, subtract the area of the triangle from the area of the sector. So, tandaan kanina, kinuha na natin ang area of the sector. Ito yon, ito hanggang doon. So, ima-minus natin naman ang area ng triangle. Itong triangle na to, aalamin natin. Pag na-subtract na yan, yung makukuha natin yung kulay yellow. And let's start with the examples. Find the area of the shaded segment, yung yellow yung pinag-uusapan, when the measure of arc BC is 90 degrees with 15 centimeters radius of the circle. And the area of the sector BAC is 1/4 of the area of the whole circle. Okay, so let's start working with that. 1/4 na yung nakalagay sa given kasi ito ay 1/4 na niya, 90 degrees. So let's start. So yan yung given natin. So area of the sector BAC, ito muna yung katulad kanina nung ginawa natin. So 1/4, yun yung ratio, times the area of ito yon, yung 15 times 15 to 25, yung kanina na pinag-uusapan natin, at ito yung naging sagot. Okay, then, pag minultiply yan, yan yung magiging sagot natin. Wag na muna natin kunin ang approximate value kasi ang kasunod na hanapin natin ay area ng triangle na ito. Okay tayo, area ng triangle, yung kulay blue. And that's equivalent to 1/2 base times height. So 1/2, 15, kasi itong centimeter natin at height at ang base ay 15 din. Therefore, 225 over 2 square centimeter. 15 times 15 to 25 over 2. So we have that. Then, area of the shaded segment, isusubtract na natin itong sagot na to. Kanina, area of a sector. Tapos, minus ito. Approximately, that is equivalent to 64.21 square centimeters. Again, nilagyan na yan ng value ng pi. Okay? Sana nasusundan. How about an arc length? So, an arc length is the distance between 2 points along a section of the curve. Like this one. So, ang arc length natin ay GI. So, ito naman ang tatanungin natin. Ano ang haba ni arc GI? And to determine that, the length of an arc can be determined using the proportion A over 360 equals 1/2 pi r, where A is the degree of the measure of the arc. So, ibig sabihin ko ano yung measure ng arc. Yun yung ating A. Then, r is the radius. Ibig sabihin ito yon radius. And L is the arclet. So, ito na yon. Ito na yung hinahanap natin, arclet. Ano? Degree measure yung binigay kasi kanina. In the given proportion, 360 is the degree measure of the whole circle. We know that while 2 pi r is the circumference of the circle. So, we know this already, this formula sa grade 7 math natin before. So, let's consider this example. If arc GI of a circle measure 45 degrees with the radius equal to 7 centimeters, what is the length of the arc? Okay, consider that we are talking of arc GI. So, ibig sabihin ng tinatanong, ano ang length ng arc na to? Kasi yung given dito niya ay degree measure. So, ang dapat makuha natin ay arc length. So, we will be using this one. So, syempre may given na yan na 45 degrees yung degree measure at ang ating radius ay 7 cm. So, given this formula, by substitution, ang A natin ito yung degree measure. Then, itong R ay 7 cm. Yun lang dalawa yung papalitan natin. Then, kapag nilowest term natin ito, that's 1 over 8. Tapos, yung 7, pag tinimes sa 2, that's 14 pi. Then, multiply both side by 14 pi para ma-cancel out natin ito. That's the reason behind. Para matira na lang ay L at yun yung hinahanap natin. So, we're looking for L. Pag tinimes naman natin itong 14 pi times 1, that's 14 pi over 8. So, ito yung matitira. Then, approximately, lalagay natin yung value ng pi. So, ito yung magiging sagot niya. The length is equal to 5.15 cm. So, approximately equal to 5.50 cm. Okay, let's proceed with the other one. If arc JL measured 30 degrees with the radius equal to 8 centimeters, what is the length of the arc? So, consider again. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung hinahanap natin ng arc length. So, given ang kanyang degree measure, 30 degrees at ang kanyang radius. So, gamit ulit ito by substitution. So, ito yung A, 30 degrees. Then, ito yung 8 natin, centimeter radius. Radius siya. Okay, so, pag nilowest term, 1 over 12. Pag tinimes yung 2 at 8, 16. Then, multiply by 16 pi both side. Again, para ma-cancel out uli ito. At ang matira na lang ay L. Pag tinimes ito at saka yun, that's 16 pi. Therefore, ito yung matitira. Susundan? Okay. So, then, we are going to get the approximate value of that, and the length is approximately equal to 4.19 cm. Okay, I hope you have the idea already in the sector and segment of a circle. Come out to class. God bless us.